Hi everyone, my name is Tessa Chambon. I will be trying out a few tips and tricks on how to stay mentally and physically happy and healthy during these times, and I will be sharing my experiences with you. I normally put all my stuff in my phone calendar, but obviously I don't put my assignments in there, so it's a bit hard to keep track on them. I'm really gonna put all my schoolwork in there, my deadlines and assignments. I've decided to use some color coding. Gives me more of an overview. I wanted to try and go outside at least once every day, and I haven't done that yet, so right now I'm going for a little walk. So one of the things that I always do is clean up my workspace after I'm done. So at the end of the day, I really have that feeling that I can put all the school stuff, out of my head and really have some rest. Pro tip, if you're feeling tired in the morning, go take a shower. Normally I tend to take showers in the evening, but I was feeling really tired, so I took a shower and I feel so refreshed and just ready to really get started. To have an approximate schedule, so my approximate schedule is try to go to bed by 11 every night. Don't have to be asleep at 11 of course, but just go to bed at 11 and wake up somewhere between 8 and 9. Yeah, it's just nice to have an approximate schedule at least and not have this really messy or non-existent schedule. I find taking breaks very difficult, but I do find that taking breaks is really something that I need to sort of force myself to do. Going outside at least once a day I think is very important. Even if it's like a walk around the block or even a walk around your house, just be outside for a minute, clear your head, just not think about school or whatever is stressing you out at that moment. And also structuring my day in the sense of keeping my agenda organized. I found some tips that were very helpful for me and that I will definitely keep on doing. Maybe some of these tips can make you feel even better.